Alright everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, came outside to drive my car, and it turns out the parking brakes are stuck. So with the brakes on, you can see cables are tight. Release the brake, cables are loose, but they're not retracting.
So what had happened, only the driver's side caliper lever for the parking brake was somehow seized up or locked. So I'm just spraying it with some PB Blaster right now, and then I'm going to see if I can tap it back with a hammer.
See if I can free it up. Now, so this is what I'm dealing with, is that lever started to stick. So I'm gonna use some fluid film on it. I know I used this one time. A lot of people are trying to say it's not a penetrant when it says clearly right on it, superior lubricant and penetrant. Got her on nice and thick. If anything, it'll protect it from further corrosion. So this side has been lubricated, checked out. I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. So lucky for me, this happened at home, and if it ever happens to you, probably the hardest thing is going to be is getting the tire off. We all know how those seize up, but I was able to lightly tap this with a hammer, and then I just tapped the lever back and it freed up. So now I just got her sprayed down with fluid film, and I'm just going to operate the handbrake, record it, and then watch it back and see how it works. I think this is something I'm going to add to my yearly maintenance. When I change oil, I'm going to pull the tires off, lubricate those. It's a pretty easy, simple fix. In your situation, it may be different, but you could tell if you pull everything out of the center console there and pull that tray up when it exposes your parking brake cables down below. If your parking brake is released and those cables are loose, you know your brake is seized somewhere. And the odds of both being seized are actually pretty darn rare. So what I did is I grabbed a flashlight and I just shone it through the spokes outside, and I could tell right away which brake was the one that was actually frozen. So I am hoping the fluid film here will work and won't let me down. But I'm going to get going here. If I have any more issues, I'll report on my progress. But if you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I hope this video helped you out.